Hello, I am Anvesha and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I am up with the mascara, with this Maybelline Colossal mascara. This one is waterproof one. This mascara have two variants. One is waterproof and another one is not waterproof. So this one I am up with this one. I will review this product. So if you want to hear about this and if you want to hear the detailed review of this product, then keep on watching my video. So without further ado, let's start with the review. This one is the mascara. This one is the Colossal Maybelline Colossal waterproof mascara. This one comes with a yellow tube. This one is oval in shape. So this is the packaging of this plastic tube. Okay, so here it is written Maybelline the Colossal waterproof. And at the back of it the things are written about the mascara instant volume, no clumps. Okay, and then it is written, see, can you see this one here? So this one, it's written that you have to use this mascara after opening within 6 months, and its net volume is 10 ml and its cost rupees 405 rupees for 10 ml of product, and its shelf life is 3 years, which is very good. So all these things were written in this. Here the barcode is given. So this was the packaging. This one, the another variants of it is the non-waterproof one. That one, here the things are written in sea green color, and in that non-waterproof one, the things are written maybe purple color. The things are written in purple color, and the packaging is same in both the products. The price is also, I think the price is also same in both the products. So this is, let me open this one. This is the thing. Can you see after opening only its bristles are pretty much clear. It is having pretty much clear bristles with it. No, that clumps are not there. In many mascaras there are the bristles stick with one another. There are many clumps and sticky kind of thing. So in this one, no, that thing is there. And the applicator is very good. You can see a voluminous applicator is present in this mascara. See the detailed lines of this mascara. I just love this applicator. And this one is the products, and here the batch number is given. Here the batch number is given. This was the thing of this was the product, and the price is rupees 405, but in online apps like Flipkart, Nykaa, Amazon, it is available in everywhere, so you will get pretty much discount. Within 300 or 350 you will get the product. Let me apply this product on my hand and let me show you. So see, I have applied this. See, I have applied this one. Let me apply another coat of this thing. See, this is the product. Okay, this is the product. This is completely black in color. This is completely jet black in color, not that dull one, but the jet black. So I am wearing this right now, so can you see my eyelashes? I am wearing this one right now. So this was the thing. Let me give it a bit. This is not totally dry. This is a bit wet now. You can see that. But let me do a smudge test of this. So this was the smudge test. You can see nothing is coming out. Nothing has come out. So I will do the waterproof test, but let it dry a bit. Okay. So when you apply this product, it will give you a bigger lashes, a detailed volume, a huge volume. It will add enough volume in your eyes. The lashes will look beautiful, as if you are applying fake lashes, but means the length of the lashes will become like as if you are applying a fake lashes, but the detailed part is pretty good. This one is pretty good. No clumps are there. One lash will not stick with another lash. So it's a bit dry now. Let me do the waterproof test of this. So I have taken water. see the water I have taken. So let me do the waterproof test. See, nothing has come out, nothing. A bit has come out in this area, but that was the weight part of the mascara, but otherwise it's damn good. It won't remove with water, not even with your face wash. It will only remove with oil based cleanser, facial cleanser, makeup cleanser. Otherwise it won't remove with water and face wash or moisturizer. It's impossible to remove that thing. So if you are looking for a good mascara, waterproof one at a reasonable price, then surely go for this one. With no doubt, this is the best product in market till date, and in a budget friendly manner. Another reason for liking this product is that the claims written in this product that it will add instant volume and no clumps, it fulfills its claims pretty well. So it damn adds the volume, it makes instant big volume and no clumps, surely no clumps. If you apply 1 or 2 coats, there will be no clumps, but after more than 2 coats it will add some clumps. That is usual part, but in some mascaras, if you add only 1 coat, in a single coat only, it will give you a clump, like one eyelash is sticking with another. So this was the review of this. This is a big thumbs up to this product. I really love this product, best buy. So, and the non-waterproof, which is not waterproof, the product, you can go for that also, because many people don't like a waterproof one, because it is very much difficult to remove this without facial makeup cleanser. You can't remove this, and that also you have to be the oil based one, otherwise it's impossible to remove this one. So you can go for both of them. I really love the product. So if you like my video, so please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for further videos, and you have to buy this. This is the best thing.